Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to use the Toontown Spoofer. It's really awesome. I hope you enjoy. Okay, first you go over here where right there, click that, then I'll have that. Then you click see this? Available content packs. Toontown Nightlife. I'm gonna show you Toontown Nightlife. Then you click right there.
Hey guys, what are you doing? The question is, what were you doing? You're always AWOL. Hey Mitchie.
Content packs has been successfully enabled. Then close that out. Then you see that big circle? Go right there. Then see?
So, outfit check. White shorts and green hoodie. What? Green is Shane's favorite color. It was in the magazine.
Then I'll have that. Loading Toontown. This may take a moment. Oh, hold on a sec. There we go.
Are we ready?
This is so awesome.
Yeah. The backup singer script the lead singer, hello.
Then I'll have that.
Were they up?
I'm such a Kingdom Hearts fan. See?
Right here. There you go.
Bye YouTube, thanks for watching. FYI, I laugh so weird.